stop here in DeLand. Somebody's, it's like they purchased this home and they're getting ready to try to bring it back to its original glory. It's going to take a lot of work. It's like they've already been in there shoring it up, but you can see how it's wavy looking. A lot of sinkage and all on the stairs, a lot of internal rot, like massive amounts of internal rot. But sure nice if they can rescue it. Just seems like a big job, and just seems like it's something that if you were gonna tackle, that you would pull all the siding off and not just assume that you cut back the damage. Look how it was laughing plaster, even the ceilings. I could see the oak crating. Well, a house with a basement. You don't see that too often. Yeah, somebody's got their work cut out for them, but they're not really doing it right either. How this is just tied into nothingness. How offset those 2x4s are. They should be even with the inside wall face. This is all crooked. Like nobody. Look what they're doing. House had knob and tube in it too. You see the knobs. Look at that. The entire weight is being held up on a shy end of a 2x4. That should be at least a 6-inch double 6-inch, not a single 2x. Yeah, look at that. It's a full basement. Hand dug. Interesting. You don't get basements too often in Florida. This must have been the original electric panel. Very shaky looking electric. Little piece of pottery right there. Oh, my favorite kind of broken dish, the blue plate special. The kitchen. It's a big kitchen. Man, look at all this electrical, the way they stole it. And they just had it running. Open boxes on the ceiling. Old cast iron pipes. Like way old cast iron pipes. What's that? strange looking. It's almost like it was a ceramic ball of some sort. Very, very deep. There's another chunk of that blue plate. Right there. Pictures. The whole back of the kitchen. It's full of dishes and all. A root. Yeah. He's got a really big job. Look how these two sides are. Look at this. This part of the house is sitting on big ass beams. Look at that. That's like a 6x8. That's amazing. This house has got all kinds of remodeling done on it, where they kept expanding and expanding. How stacked up this is. Somebody poured cement. Some of these spots have got bricks on them. Look at this bullshit. A total who did it and ran. Got chalkboard right here. Here's something else. This has got old shiplap, I think it's called, siding. And over here they're just putting straight board. Yeah. Shoddy work. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you see that? Because I see that. I definitely see that. Somebody's got their work cut out for them. That's a faux show. They were hit with a citation. Stop work.